guys, hi, this is me Samruddhi and welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing this face for the first time, consider subscribing so that the next time you and I will meet here again. So this Sunday I posted a story in which you guys have to put in all your questions and I'll answer them in this video. So without any further ado, let's just get into it because I have a lot of questions. So the most asked question was how this whole YouTube journey started. Was it planned or it happened suddenly, which is a very good question by the way, and who inspired you the most? So let me just start by answering to these questions. Yes, YouTube was planned, it was in my mind, but I was actually planning to do it in 2021 since we are about to move into our new place very soon. When I uploaded that my Hindi version video on my Instagram, it got out of expectation response, and then I posted a story saying should I just upload this as my very first video, and you guys said yes, and that's how I uploaded my very first video on YouTube, my Hindi version, on 26th of May. So yeah, it was planned but it happened very suddenly and I'm glad that it happened very suddenly. Who inspired me? My inspiration has always been Mostly Sane. She will always inspire me. I respect her, I adore her so much. I remember after my 10th standard, one of my friend asked, have you seen the video of Mostly Sane? I said no. And then the very first video I saw of Mostly Sane was the types of people when the alarm goes off or something, that alarm video. And since then I'm following her madly. I'm a huge fan. So she has always been my inspiration. So yes, Mostly Sane. जेव्हा तू यूट्यूब चॅनल स्टार्ट केलंस त्या आधी तू IGTV बनवत होतीस आणि त्यात तुला चांगला सपोर्ट मिळाला, बट ह्या सगळ्या आधी फर्स्ट IGTV पोस्ट करताना वर यू नर्वस और कोण काय विचार करेल, फ्रेंड्स काय रिॲक्ट करतील असं मनात होतं का? हो, खूप जास्त. आय रिमेंबर if you now go and watch that video and come back and watch this video, there is a massive difference between both these videos, because I remember I was terrified by the idea of me posting something like a video on social media wherein everybody is able to see that video. आणि मला आठवते की अर्धा पाऊण तास I was lying on my bed and I was thinking ki should I do it? I was very terrified, but then I posted it anyhow, and you can see how afraid I am while talking. That video really shows it. But after I posted that, I got really good comments and that really helped me gain my confidence. So yeah, will you ever try fashion vlogs? To be very honest, no, I don't think so, because what I know about fashion is already known to everyone. How do you come up with funny or valid content every time? First of all, thank you for saying that, but I think the observation, we all observe these things and that's why it is relatable. So yeah, observation. Your opinions about adult friendships. I really think adult friendships are great because then we can discuss almost everything. In childhood we used to cutty batti a lot, but now it is not like that. Now we really choose very carefully before making anyone our friend. So we all should have our own gang to discuss anything that we want. How to prevent hair fall? Please, I need this video about it. Listen, I'm going bald within next year. I really feel this. The amount of hair fall I am facing, nobody is facing this hair fall. Let me just tell you. Shawn or Taylor? Shawn Mendes, because I love his music and above all, I love how kind he is. Love him. Your unrealistic fantasies that you think would come true someday. Having my own fan page, signing autograph, and my performance at FanFest. Things you regret doing or saying and how do you feel about them now? I really regret not participating in any of the extracurricular activity that used to happen in my college, Kelkar, because my college has a exposure for all these activities and I didn't take part in any of them, and I regret and I really feel that I was stupid enough to do that. But since I got into Kelkar again, I'm gonna redeem all these things. Talk about Sam B in school and Sam B in college. I really think these are two very different people. In school I was very different. I was afraid of no one. I used to talk to everyone. Until I went to college, I became so shy and conservative and I was like in my own world. I became so much like that. Biggest fear. I really think my biggest fear is losing people. How's the journey going so far? What do you think about it? I really think the journey is going very good. I love how it is going. I'm really looking forward to it. What keeps you going? Be very honest. The good comments that I receive each and every time. So when a stranger is coming to my Instagram, they are watching the content that I have posted and they DM me that listen, you do such great content. I have seen your YouTube videos, they are amazing. This is the thing which keeps me going. I love it. There are times when there is no idea, there is a feeling that let's not do it. But then I think about people who are waiting for my video. I personally love to appreciate people who do great work, and if someone is doing to me, it is a big deal because someone is watching you and then they are appreciating you as well. So this is really great. What were the challenges that you faced or are facing since you started YouTube? In the beginning I used to get a lot of views. Like if my one video gets 500 views, I think yes, this video is good. But now I don't get that many views, but I think this is the result of what I am doing. If I'm not getting views means I need to improve. So yeah, top 3 movies of all time: 5 Feet Apart, Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, and Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. If you could teleport, where would you be right now? Maldives. The one thing that you like and don't like about content creation. The one thing I really like about content creation is that we can express whatever we feel, and every creator has a different perspective of handling an idea. I don't like about content creation, can't think of anything right now. Are you single? Yes. Who is your boyfriend? No one. Why you started making vines or videos? Because I thought my Instagram was boring and basic. I had a belief that I can do something different, and that's why I started making videos, and it was in my mind from a long time, and I'm glad that I did it finally. How different Samruddhi has become after being known as a digital creator or YouTuber. The only change that I feel in myself is that my laziness has reduced to some extent. Because now I have to think about something that I'm about to upload or I'm about to post. So yeah. But other than that, I don't think I am a known digital creator or YouTuber. I haven't gone out and I don't know how my friends react to it. So it is actually going to be fun. How did you get the idea of doing such comedy skits and vine? Very first video, my Hindi version, I posted because my Hindi is horrible. Like I can't speak fluent Hindi, which is a bad thing. So it just came into mind while I was watching Discovery Channel. So I just wrote it down and I made a video. Any creative character in your head which we would be seeing in future videos? As of now, I'm not thinking of another creative character, but the Deepa Vaini character got such a huge response that I think I have to bring her back. Your go-to movie genre? Rom-com. Since when did you learn singing? Honestly, I haven't. I just got it from my mother. She has a brilliant voice. Are you heading towards theatre? As of now, no. I don't know if I can or not, but if I get the opportunity to act in some of the things, I'll really go and check if I can do it or not. But I love acting. Your best friend except your mother? No one. Plans for 18th birthday? No, I don't have any plans for 18th birthday because I'm not at all excited for my 18th birthday. The only thing which is in my mind is I'm gonna vlog my 18th birthday. Whatever happens, I'm going to vlog it. Why don't you have extra noise or sound in your videos? To be very honest, I never really felt the need of adding the sound or noise, but if it is that much emptiness there is in my video, I think I should. And I'm really afraid of the copyright and all these things, so I don't really want to take any risk just now when I'm starting. So yeah, according to your nature or behavior, which Bollywood movie character you are? Why don't you guys answer to this in comment section, because I really don't know. Is there any character who used to overthink a lot? That has to be me. What do you think is the ideal time for dating? Whenever you feel it is right is the ideal time for dating. What type of dreams do you get? The type where I don't know, some unknown people are there who has nothing to do with me, and the dreams which has nothing to do with what is happening right now in my life. Very weird dreams. Ideas on how to sneak out with a boy without telling your parents. Just do it. The best thing about yourself that you love to flaunt every time? My smile. I don't love to flaunt because I don't have to flaunt it because I smile all the time when I'm talking to people. So yeah, that's why. And this is not what I am bragging about myself. A lot of my friends have told me that I have a very good smile. So yeah. What will you call your YouTube fam? Like mostly Sen calls her fam dum-dums. I think first I need to think about the ideas to reach that level. Do you believe in life after death? Is it okay if I say I don't think this deep? I don't know. I am afraid of ghosts. That's for sure. Your definition of love: a relationship where you care for each other but you give the space to each other that a basic individual needs. What sort of content did you think while starting your channel? I really thought that I would make vines or comedy skits, but in the course of time I realized if you are making any type of videos, it is not that simple. It is really, it needs a lot of hard work. So in the beginning I really thought that I would make comedy videos. So yeah. How to motivate yourself before shooting the video. If you are passionate about it, you don't really need any motivation, but it really takes some time to be confident in front of the camera, that is for sure. I really can't think of any question right now, but I want to say that you are doing so good and I personally love watching your content. Keep growing and glowing, you pretty. Thank you so much, love you. And I as I said before, these are the comments which really keep me going. I love this kind of comments. Does your family know about your YouTube channel, and if yes, do they support you? Yes, they know about my YouTube channel, and yes, they support me a lot. How much time you take for making one video? 1 to 2 or 3 to 4 hours. Are you going to start vlogging? Yes. Are you going to make videos in Marathi or Hindi? I don't know about Hindi as of now, but Marathi, yes. You increase frequency of your videos? Yes, I can, but I think that I really need to come up with such ideas every day. And as of now, as I have time, maybe I can, but I don't know about the time once I start going to college again. If world went coronavirus free for 24 hours, what would you do? I'll go out with my friends and vlog it. How are you so amazing? Thank you for saying that, but I think we all are amazing. What was your experience and what do you want to achieve in future? My experience is still good, and what I want to achieve in future is that I really want to be a known YouTuber, and I really want to be hardworking enough that I will feel that yes, I'm working hard. Favorite YouTuber other than Mostly Sane, Be Unique and Slay Point. I have been watching Slay Point since the beginning, so yeah, I love Slay Point and I love Be Unique. What do you love making? Comedy videos or serious videos? I think both of them, because I really love making videos. It was the best part of whole quarantine, me realizing that I can do something in the field of content creation and me actually starting doing that. शाळेतल्या तुझ्या unforgettable memories. There are so many, and every school memory is unforgettable, and I miss school. School was the best. No questions, just sending you lots of love and support to you. Keep growing. Thank you so much. I'm so happy that you run a YouTube channel. Love you, Junior. Love you too. Love you more. She's the only senior that I know. She's the only one who hugs me. I love you. Some say on those people who just show as if you are unknown person to them, you know who. Boycott them. What kind of content we gonna get to watch? Vlogs or vines? What more? By the way, I miss that Vahini, huh? Yes, I think vlogs and vines is now the only thing that I have posted, I have uploaded so far. So I think, yeah. Where do you want to see yourself in coming 5 years? I really want my channel to grow. Anything can happen. I just want to work hard and get there, and I really want to do very good in academics. What makes you smile? See, I remember watching one video of Shawn Mendes wherein he's so kind to his fans. This is the one thing that really makes me smile. How long does it take for you to write, shoot, and how do you do it? If the idea is in my mind, like if instantly something comes into my mind कि हाँ चल इस पे बना सकते हैं, then I can write the whole script in about an hour. And I can update it. And how do I do it? I shoot my videos in my phone's camera. That's the only thing I have to shoot. These are all the questions that we have for this Q&A. To be very honest, I really want to make more videos like this. Comment down if you want the same to happen. And it was actually fun. I really love to interact with people, and you guys are really great. I love you, and next time I'll come up with something else like this. Until then, keep calm, stay safe, stay home, keep supporting, and keep creating. Till we meet, see you soon.